Remember when these became these? Today this becomes this. The Flextec 450 from Lincoln Electric. Too often, customers have felt they needed to choose the reliability and price of conventional multi-process welders or the portability and energy savings of an inverter. At Lincoln Electric, we heard our customers and designed a multi-process power source that combines the best of both. The reliability and price of a conventional power source with the size and efficiency of an inverter. One of the customers key in the development of the Flextec 450 was UA 72 in Atlanta, Georgia.
Cajun Seeger, welding director for Local 72 in Atlanta, Georgia. The United Association of Plumbers, Pipe Fitters, Steam Fitters, Welders, HVAC Technicians, and Sprinkle Fitters of the United States and Canada. It's a union of the pipe trades in all those different formats. The Flextec was introduced to us along with a lot of other things with Lincoln Electric. We've got a great relationship with Lincoln as far as training goes and as far as the field work goes. And they brought the Flextec down to have us check and see how it would fit in on the training side and also what our experience out in the field, what it would do out in the field and what things we'd like to see change. What jumped out on me first with the Flextec is portability, the price, and the multi-process. The nuts and bolts of welding for the UA, especially in Atlanta here, is the shield metal and gas tungsten processes, which both come with the Flextec. And now with the power generation introducing the flux core welding, you've got that too in the same equipment. So being able to get all those processes in one booth with an inverter type and save on your electricity, it's a no-brainer. The Flextec 450 comes at me as an industrial type piece of equipment. It's got the rubber grommets on the sides and the corners. Looks like you'd be able to roll it down a job site and it would do fine. In the United Association, the Flextec could be used on a number of our projects. We're in the food processing plants with sanitary welding where you'd use the gas tungsten process. We've got the heavier member welding where you'd bring in the flux core, the shield metal, the portability. I see it used in a vast range of projects with the United Association. And with the Flextec 450, it's simple enough to where a new guy can learn how to operate it, but it's sophisticated enough to where a veteran welder can come in and find that sweet spot that really makes a difference of making an X-ray weld or not.
The multi-process Flextec 450 is ready for the task, whatever it may be. Construction yard, factory, or school, the Flextec 450 is capable of stick, touch-start TIG, MIG, flux cord welding, as well as carbon arc gouging. The Flextec also features the rugged reliability of a conventional power source. The Flextec has gone through the same rigorous testing as every other Lincoln welder. It's IP23 and desert duty rated, meaning it's ready to go in any harsh environment. The Flextec 450 also features the power savings of an inverter. The Flextec is 75% smaller and uses 20% less input power than the competition. Imagine the savings from using that much less power for the same output. Every shift, every day, all year. Flexibility meets technology. With the Flextec 450, the future is now.